Ntekufo adu yenko so ne hwe no obedane nso hwe beto o man Ghana so. So that mistake Ghana for will never repeat that. See Ebeka say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia because of say waba onye president or a vice president in the yenko so we Ghana yen so bia hwe Same mistake Ghana for repeat biom da. Say so me hwe na bedane so we yentimi ntwere. So me hwe no abedane question say yentimi answer abegu yeso. Yen just a mistake no kuma. Second declare ditum so oba be campaign ama MPP a obi bi oye Ghana ni ase bi otimi dwunu bi anim se nipa na oli di MPP be campaign no wanu maduro na adwunu mu nda
ye pe this nsem o makika kika fa
yeah
enukre
sa yen nyina ebe gi atum se ye bi e mitru so nti ontimi ntwene ngini
yes eno de
nti ye mfa na asem serious o
kroma de emfa
daily time Ghana for be fa Kennedy serious ne se obe distancing home from MPP
yes
ni ehun se ampa say do mo ka kire ne say na adwene ye na adwene ye but if Kennedy etimi gitum say me say back to MPP and I say me kwa campaign ama Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia there's obvious I want pan here
yes Ohene no ana no
me I want pan here and I am na do anom what I say yes so Kennedy should prove otherwise on my Ghana for who say ye man do anse na wetimi alivu and I am one pan anse na wetimi alivu and yes apa dia na robotic economy Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ka so de ba no one of the robot no ya Kennedy
yes we huna demonstration akosi seme ukwa sa de na minimum Ohene boame His Excellency John Dramani Mahama 2028 onko bio no adai MPP for sofu bia so ahye omon koma na omanya adai so bi se ombesa aba mu ana because seme ukwa sema all kind was say Mahama's absence on 2028 ballot will reshape electoral dynamics.
Say omo adwene bi say ebe the first in history nipa mienu e contest nyina no bi end president da. What you say?
Yeah.
Mienu na e contest no bi end president da ba kwa the vice president we faili.
Ya mi ehunu.
Anu ehunu.
Ehunu ne nsa.
Ehunu nsa no adwuma. Ehunu 33 policies ayenim se ba kokore ne won no de bae.
Yeah.
What you say?
Yeah.
Aha. Nti na sa me akuku pese omo ye nti se and the faces in eba na a different face in the 2028 dey a different faces cry yes red Samuel ogu any different face old face ye nim sa face no Ghana
okay
NDC face na new face ni mo no kura no so be campaigning on the basis of the Excellency John Dramani Mahama be sa na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ono de ono ayeye ene de akufo ado ye ono so no be gina campaign nti on de me bon pa se nyame adma 2028 nyame man trans na me ntie nsem a o de be campaign so be kan economy asem okruma obie na no kan economy se bi si abo no
right same obibia kwa by ha tele media so join and not subscribe it. Now I'll leave you comment under the comment section, like and share the link. And then so ya sign atnase Ohene Agyei Michael atnase mdin the tele evangelist Samson Owusu na and of course enra sunyani huru den na enye asem koto akra MPP the minority yes omutigwa bontene so a ene demonstration ne de demonstration e di me de ewo eye Ghana ha ene yensuro ehunhuna demonstration of course the minority MPP side no eno me yesa demonstration be wura esa ensem no enso imusame ewuku akasa yes e afa His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ho was Mahama's absence on 2028 ballot will reshape electoral dynamics yes be wura sa ensem no nso emudes emenimo ayatenasi yedi emunchirimu eba abesomo Agyei
senior
se de keka kono eni ya enyan
efa ne ehe
MPP foi omusi ensure hunhuna asem hunhuna omododo ntie ne enu asunya ne de nya asem kotoa
minu ya maka asem bi a kire wo se upe political party a in our recent years only vision by MPP political party a we're losing the credibility, we're losing the structure, we're losing the BBR, MPP. Wouldn't the entire idea we and dra or more year me one pa. Senanke pe demonstration a swan anka GGA for na so mo yes demonstration under the regime of Ekufuado.
Okay.
Time ye na nabobi ansan so akoka se Ekufuado yere akwakoto asase ye no. Ye Captain Smart. Time ye Ohene Boama Benye.
Yeah.
What you say?
Yeah.
Time ye ku ama swele wo mra MP attract say nipa ne say wuhia baby aye nko no. Na say GGA Ghana Journalist Association omo ene na say anka say demonstration we ye insurance na demonstration enye MPP. But MPP dem aka say when it comes to the issue of MPP minim die enti a omo yes demonstration we.
Okay.
Obi ehunu omo ye. Obi enhu omo. But the thing says I deal with Bell so His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. A man call for a TMP may be born and this is by natural and see that. So almost a way almost a demonstration there. My catcher was say, I dare no and yan shall see you. The be a catcher was say when you warm up. What I say, born uncle yan shall say. Time no swan and the moon lazy or move to me, sure and do a boot to know a beswa. Because I did back when about MPP of late and they say. Political party now try say 1 year 4 months of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Ye nya scandal kese bi mfa mbo no entrance nka enye nti the say choir leaders ekwa kokoo na say ekoto onum what you say omo na nam sunya ne the SIA demonstration. Now the question is yen sure ehunu demonstration we say ehunu demonstration na omo koye no me pa cho impact be na make e de be na be sesa. Would it stop say judicial process ebe ko so ana? It will not stop anything. You case intimidation under His Excellency John Dramani Mahama you experiencing intimidation in Ghana. It is never true.
Okay.
Obi intimidate obi a. Even people anka expect say anka barista mo mugina mra no e face mra stretch omo the likes of gift your ware mo those things. So mo nyina kura wo fi a e wo ma anu akoko to akwa no. Akwako yin semano no abafi.
Okay.
What does it?
Yeah.
It is a workers are by being intimidated. With definition of intimidation any. Intimidation by na sense will be granted me can be as a groomer. Culture of silence you experiencing under Ekufuado's regime. And you experience a culture of silence with groomer. School nkwala. Eka set here His Excellency and Ekufuado the former president. Yeah, or more on boardinizes ankwala no. You move your boarding house.
Yeah.
School nkwala. So when you see MPP no be catch us say yensura hunahuna MPP buy no NDC buy in power e dey be na dey MPP for so me catch us say as a journalist out here and as a blogger out here kire ma dey ba ko NDC buy why you kire say o intimidate and as o hunahuna MPP obenya bi aka. That is the question. So this is clear. You see it, you sit and no one will say, oh, wouldn't say this demonstration you omo ye MPP mpenufo asebi sebi omunim de kura adwunu ho mo ntese ade omo ye yaze. Owo pa kohwe ndo omo mkokọ yese demonstration no.
Ya
na se obo mu se ni petitru bi owo MPP man enim se waji din. Obo se demonstration o kan ho a because it doesn't see the essence why. Onim nyanse wo mu se obekọ yese demonstration we.
Enti me
you there
hot issues no ko mo mbe kasafa boy no ho ne na ade o ye no. Sunyane me hu se animu no.
That is what I'm asking you say. Excuse my language. Obi bien wa owo MPP munde. Owo the legal brain say demonstration here cause endo obekwa godua bi.
Yesure hu na no.
Oh. That is why me catch will say the big unity is any omo MPP. Personalities, characters any omo MPP man. Yenim say they are big men. Emu hwan na hu no demonstration as it is the same way as a kuku na ekoto no a. You get it?
Yeah.
These are issues.
These are facts. Oh, okay.
Because wo ba ye no, aban ne ba ye no. Hwe so bo ahodo e dia bobom mpanufo bebre. MPA SNSS wohwe sankrofo we mpom ba abonten chema huntumi galam say issue omunyi kram ba abonten because they intimidate omo.
Yeah.
How much more what cyber crime act ekutiao na even such a stupid guy my miss was amba ono ne papa no ba social media and obi a draw ne papa di gay no ma je na akade anka no ono amado anka ne reactions there. These are common sense. This is common sense.
Yeah.
Common sense to tell you say that demonstration and normal year is one of the useless and baseless demonstration I've ever seen. It doesn't make sense. It has no meaning. It has say Nigerians what saying. When I ask you a Nigerians what saying, when demonstration in the name say obi akwa yen no mafon de tear the sitting president. Now you say mrani ndi we say on intimidate one into go demonstration. You is sitting down here. One say what gonna one. How do you read meaning into this?
Yeah.
You see, it doesn't make sense. Mark Ajaro. And another break will be.
There.
Bankobi.
There.
Wo Justin Kobi aho.
There.
No.
Enimu na akwa ne de.
Bankobi meboa. Afia marking ho.
There.
Na asenso boache.
Omu nyina anko.
Wo chemensa. You see the stupidity among the youth over there. This is not omon penifo no mutie chire nangze nim say maami apia Agyei no deputy minority leader no minority leader nangza ho. It is clear, it's obvious omon nim say side way is useless. You get it? It's a useless demonstration I've ever come across in the history of this country. Useless.
Now opposition
demonstration. You see, these are antics. What politics? There is no washing. Sure. What do you say? Nyame man in Pali and this is on my record scandal. But when they record one scandal, this demonstration, this koko asiasa, any those things in your bones or me like before. Obia baba internet and so yangazo my disca. These are issues, things they have been waiting for, and it is not happening.
Yeah.
Ade chance mahama so kwakọ to aeroplane ade chance mahama kwakọ den or the diamond site gold mine kwakọ mani nua ade chance you see, so they pick issues left from right no ya ka bom enfa personal you sitting down here and do as a demonstration we kwa biase anaje say for your self interest say me kwakọ take pictures video kwakọ to online na say demonstration ni
na me say mami bia you no na se wo su so we dem say na mami nti we ye sure say ade a wuye enye bibi no akwaji na wo
mami nka say ba control MPP nkwa na timi organize demonstrators a wo bi na akobisa demonstrators no say do demonstration a wo kwa o bi de minimum me wo ho ne ma bisika say me mlabi so wo ba ka it happens at Accra.
Yeah Kukudia
no
yeah.
A gentleman was asked say na ade engine na wo ba ya wo demonstration was me the minimum me ho ne ma bisika say me mlabi. So he doesn't even understand the kind of demonstration, you know. And then let me read it or more practice ni bi. Ebi wo asem a wo so no kura no. Wo de bakwa adwunwunu mu saa wo nti ase.
Yeah, but my minute the a placard na ekuta no ye. O say you promised 24-hour economy.
Nti 24-hour economy we demonstration.
Aye.
Mo say me catch say bebre the line we beti wo mu ni ma de koro. Omu demonstration na ndra no mo ye no. Upa kwa on placards and some of my training is different from idea no more. That is what I'm telling you, is a baseless and meaningless demonstration. It's a demonstration, one of the senseless.
Wow.
I don't know for how long they think they can move crowds with this antis and a tatis. This antis and a tatis, no. So we are party here. People are fed up with you. What trance? No one show no me. Who strategize it? No one say no. Sadly, when from we na let's look at the key issues and no man my co-opposition. NDC did that 2016. So 2020, we nearly had the seat. What you say?
Yeah.
We are analyzing no man my lose 2016 election. We sit down. You pending before. So your co-opposition, you know, 2017 when who's a normal way MP before NDC for yes. Because you were looking at our shortcomings. what happened? A debate you lose a vote of about 1 million vote. Omo lose about 1.7 million votes. Yet they don't want to learn any lesson from. I think in the history of this country, it has never happened. Say the biggest opposition lose more than 1 million votes, 1.7, and yet MPP is doing that. Listen, once the culture say, "Mami, if we be a bad demonstration, I will KJT say, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, more man ultimatum. Say by 2 weeks time, so I'm back. KJT phase 2 no one. Omone no ebetwen so beka
yeah
wonu se ndo achi market e wa kwesi kumasi nyina omo ahema fo nyina Agyei wuti omo press conference no omo se omo di kwan be sa press conference no so bi na se omo achi mo omo dwene sa nkwase adwene no omo nyai because His Excellency John Dramani Mahama di kan be see first phase no mo na se second phase say 8 years omo anye demonstration and you be 1.5 year on be demonstration, so they should accord the president with respect.
Inti ahema no e kanta de first one course
me see and draw press conference ko tie da ahema no the way omo an kanta omo say first omo be first press conference no omo be no edwam hima o obi no edwam hima. I told you say this is what the MPP can do. This is the level MPP can get themselves into. What you say?
Yeah.
And me catch you say one of the useless press conference and men who is a press conference no. And I've been vindicated.
Yeah.
What you say?
Yeah.
After say him for ne tran say ndru echi. No mo you almost do press conference. No mo we no mo dey adesrede to His Excellency John Dramani Mahama say omunim say why ye bida or ya ye bida. Into omunim so betumi a complete amomo. Omo kan ya ka Kofro market a ye jeni mfie bebre His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and ordinance akoka machine go so ye wo aduma.
Yeah.
Yesterday they said that. Into me catch say wo hwe from Kofro market. Wo hwe sa ma me for press conference. No wa hwe koku ase anodo mpremu nam. No wa hwe ehunehuna demonstrations. Sunyani die. Mini atrase. As a blogger na analyze sa 3 issues here marking. Emuni ehipa ne wonjina so. Because koku asem ne baaye no na omo first way omo si ye ni Ghana sister countries. Ghana ni Cote d'Ivoire sister countries into omo nti de anti a Cote d'Ivoire 36 million na Ghana 25 million 87 Ghana cedis.
Okay.
Cote d'Ivoire page omo de na about 12 million. About 12 million. The next statement ni you say enye Cote d'Ivoire na yet Ghana. So that argument no more lose that I thought from say term.
Okay.
What did I say?
Yeah.
Your ma me for so akwa press conference. So my His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ultimatum. And the drum for ma me for no mo ya him for say hey shut up. When a man say to me no don't disrespect. Or see baby a wadwene do ye man trend tras obadwene do. So
na we kwa ko to sere we an ko to sere.
Endra almost so abekanta mo dead argument. Endra ye hu say ehunehuna demonstration. Na ye kura nipa odi se be nsemhunu sei na ye kura ni se. That's why me catch you say the structure of MPP here hak mo usu Agyei. Now and then mama ka say back njiro. O man panyin kofo.
Yeah.
Ebedi president no. Nkofo no mo ye adwuma Richard Anane no a health minister obaka.
Yeah.
Hak mo usu Agyei mo. Dr. Frimpong Boateng. Ti nkofo am bo mo din yo.
Okay.
Papa usu ankoma.
Yeah.
Ata Kennedy mo. Ya papa Kwadwo Bra Wiredu. Ne din kwa de. Yurakubrobe.
Okay.
Dr. Yurakubrobe.
Okay.
Do you think say under force regime science hunu demonstration we Richard Anna no be kwa yesa ade no.
Menye sure. Omonya.
Would you say Richard under force regime a ni enim say MPP ni aka kire say the MPP is full of the intellectuals. Ye benyo bi we MPP ye benya MPP communicator bi e ma say wa kwa kodi science hunu na sabakram atache no na ye nya Richard Anna ne ni enya ye papa Eduomi Ejusu MP. Former MP.
Yeah.
Ni enya former MP Eduomi. Ni enya Richard Anna mo. Ni enya Bamfo says menje bozunga ho.
Okay.
Because for parliament acheba.
Yeah.
Ni enya ye papa say menje bonzu. no was sorry no decide demonstration we echi say mo messing and do me hu Bawe MP no dim oninem no dim but I want him to understand clearly say during that time Sankrofon will never embark on such a stupid demonstration. I'm telling you, they will never. So when they tell you, say, the face of MPP now, you don't disagree with anybody.
Okay.
What I say, when they tell you, say, this is the fake MPP, and they look at what is happening, it is clear. Because Dr. Frimpong Boateng will never do this.
Onye.
You get it? Because the first thing they should have done is say, MPP, I told you, MPP is not ready for power. And they continue to go down. Because the reason is very simple.
Work
in between, work within, solve the internal issues.
Ohene, when you say, Michael Quay, in a buy, no?
I know Michael Quay, senior.
Yeah.
Because I'm going to this demonstration.
Or the same say, Omuni Kennedy free party.
Michael Quay's report.
Omuni free. And you know, no, if you hold on, because you get them, then there was some way you solve those issues. Look at it. Say, you're demonstration. Now,
demonstration, I then Asanka. First house is a Jubilee house in Yangrana. And you know,
yeah.
Nationally, the demonstration was Yana one event. Me, you impose them, is the demonstration because of. And I would use the chief of staff. About professor demonstration. It is a demonstration way. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and can quote na can set. Because on your way, judicial system in your way.
Emra na yedwuma.
Emra. Emra mu de din krofo kroma ye nim se emra fon kura mu gina so de din krofo. No bi ko ka kira wo yere se wo asase wo ha kura ekokoche no. No bi a bi game tale kwa kwahye no. Na wo papa wat ma drone is e. Obrabe na papa bo wusunyane a wo akodro ne sei. Huh?
Yeah.
We be drone papa so wo ko social media na go so bi do papa to sei e decide we action na wo gura we ni beje.
Yeah.
So MPP within should have told the gentleman, he said, we could have demonstration. They should have cautioned him. Say, Master, you went overboard. We have internal issues. Mamu Babo and Tekram Beka. Master, oh yeah, need to enjoy you. Oh yeah, need to serious.
Then I see them who say on Dr. Bawumia pictures, no, Baba Bontini, the Adams,
oh, they be a mechanical say, a Danny Shia. Emma make actually say fancy comedy and I say
yeah
His Excellency John Dramani Mahama tade chena Dr. Mamubi Abaka say akwa no kwafo why the fata no chia no boy friend MC Hwan MC Ishmael say ana MC Ishmael
yeah
ono so ko gina asokwa interchange kan kwase assembly church Excellency John Dramani Mahama 10 years so DMC yenye no Ako ka kire say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ni overhead this year. Anazo otimisi we an konfa nko ni kurom konkosi no. Ade echi na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ka sa akwa no kwafo akwa ye adwuma waba. Endra. Ye hu say video say kire say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ani amando after ye yi no no. Owo ni fie no obam no. Akwa no kwafo akwa ye art papa waba fie. When I tell you say one of the poisonous personalities we have them in Ghana. What do you mean? You say, Papa, doctor, any free my mechanic was a mebo. Me say, a din, said, the neighbor to baby be Anton the Bawumia. Ye me no nodness, and they will see some big name will be after said in Ukruma. Because one of the poisonous personalities we have them in Ghana, which means a doctor any free. Me say, anything that happens under Kufuor's regime. What do you mean you say papa ni film? Makachiro.
Wow.
What I say?
Yeah.
So these are issues. You sit down, we be analyzing these issues. No one will deal say, hey, Nkofu ye kase ya na nyo man if you member. Baby, I'm tempted to believe say omo mo be di yeso from 2017 to 2024 no. January 2025 no. Enyo I'm tempted they were ghosts. Seriously, enyo because say your mo pa dia and can ya Nkofu ya beda na di okruma no. They have no moral right. So mbeka kokase omo ye demonstration be events.
Yes, a demonstration.
And I make a them. One of the baseless demonstration. Useless ever. A demonstration and Yansen name back. Hey, on my press conference. Who said Nansen? Tell me NDC back on every week you on your press conference.
Yeah.
And you from National Press Conference Party. What do you say?
Yeah.
You say, my just press conference, baby. You see, there are a demonstration. We don't have a demonstration, do on me. Who to a National with Demonstration Association, Pero Agyei.
Almost okay. Right. Ohene yanku yenim na miyehwe na ehunahuna yensu ehunahuna demonstration yakosu seme wuku asa de na minim Ohene boame His Excellency John Dramani Mahama 2028 onko bionu adai MPP for sofu bi aso ahye omon komana omanya adai so bi se ombesa aba mana because seme wuku asema all kind was it Mahama's absence on 2028 ballot will reshape electoral dynamics.
Say, omo adwene bi say ebe the first in history nipa mienu e contest nyina no bi end the president da. What you say?
Yeah.
Mienu na e contest no bi end the president da be ba kwa the vice president we fail.
Ya me ehunu.
Anu ye hunu.
Ehunu ne nsa.
Ye hunu nsa no adwuma.
Yeah.
Ye hunu 33 policies yenim se ba kokore no wo no de bae.
Yeah.
What you say?
Yeah.
Aha. Nti na sami ewuku pese omo ye nti se and the faces in eba na a different face. In the 2028 dey a different faces cry. Yes, red sami ewuku. Any different face, old face. Ye nim sa face no Ghana.
Okay.
NDC face in a new face. Ni mo no kra no so be campaigning on the basis of the His Excellency John Dramani Mahama be.
Yeah.
Sa na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ono de ono ayeye ene de Akufo-Addo ye ono so no be gina campaign. Nti on de me bon pa se nyame ya adma 2028 nyame man trans na me ntie nsem a o de be campaign so be kan economy asem okroma. Obie na no kan economy se e bi si abono. So ba be economy asa yeah. See the Ghana for be si abono okroma no. You get it?
Yeah.
I understand him. Meaning say, omo ba be painting picture no. Say, oh, the obed omo mienu do be the president da. What you say?
Yeah.
Inti Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia de onu wa ba be ye bi me hu. Inti ye man sa nod no be lead party no. O be lead on my Ghana. That is what they want. We make actually omo say 2024. Omo ka actually say nipo omo be beating hands down. Yeah. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama so back as that time no obi enim 2016 we dey onu kwa de enim de dia na ye ka shira won say omo biggest fear and say e cover His Excellency John Dramani Mahama by yeah can oh they we no mo making noise yeah e kwa be dey His Excellency John Dramani Mahama be fa so no they ended up shipping mu mapa from when a boxer and can knock out yes, sir, be 2 rounds na unu apaja ne to azo.
O mo hwe brasa
na to abanda de achi anopa na o'clock na onu aba abonto so hwea. Mintumi okun mintumi.
Eje na omo apart beluvo say oba abonto.
Amuzi oba ji atum kwa nza ka oji tum ntem za. Na we de wa me ya wie kura. Enti say so mutirim. Say oh because of say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama okwo. Enti no faces in eba no fala we there omo winning the reason I'm go for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ba yin na say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia the Ghana for the kan hu no ballot box so nti yes ad ne ba bi mo meto no wuti omo mpanifo nyina asem omo kan no ni mo nya say amambo papa bi omo bebu ye nti na nam so omo go for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ba ye omo de ne ba because say omo de ne ba face no so be ti MPP for a omo say e ko fa new face na NDC so fa new face and this is because of some more sitting government into Omewini. Nimu ya Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia di na di kan aba baako. Eme ya abo no fenfram ne ba. Bia sata Ghana fo be hu mo bo aka se. Abiri bi Akufo-Addo prayer ma fedu bebi na de Ghana fo mo bo so obeka ya.
Yeah.
Nti sa de a ye mfa ne nko. Se hu mo bro na ye di ma Akufo-Addo ma ne be ku ye no. Ye ma Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia bi da. Mo bro Ghana fo. Eka so papa na bre from 2007 wa kwanti yesremo no satam na onam me unse 2007 o ka kire say ondi go beda efe 2016 efe okono bi ton kokko an wayi biedi obi ton kube kro otimi bobi no wawe
yeah
yes no buru mfa danke tonwa say umobro no ye hu Dr. Mamu Bawumia bi da because when he gave Okufo the opportunity we vie Ghana for or destroy Ghana economy totally. And say umobro no ye di hu Dr. Mamu ye di hu omampanyi dada Okufo man be vie Ghana no Ghana for will never repeat that mistake again.
Okay.
Because when he came, he cried foul. Oh, my ba. So ne Kofo contested them in 2004.
Yeah.
Say 2007. And we lose ye. What I say?
Yeah.
And on Alan ye Jan 2017 2007 no mo call ye no. 2004 no contested Kofo no. And 2007 on Alan contest ye no Otwa Alan but na vote ni ye run off. And Alan Jan say man nko. Into all this while all ben nyina no. Na e won Kofo tim so papa na bre. But 2007 no edi ka kire say ye nto abama no. No ba wi aso mfu tro da. And on di go beda. What I say?
Yeah.
And Ghana forces won fu tro da e na from this year jimi. In the 2016 okwa map strategy we under say kokko na mtoto okwa anwa no ayi bi aka. No the Ghana for mu hu ye mobo mu hu me mobo na mabre. Then Ghana for desire ade bi say the way papa ni su no. Ni the way papa na ka asem no. No pa Ghana for che no Dr. Mamu Bawumia so ka kire say 2+2 na Ghana economy aye ne de. En ne ye nko so papa ne ye den. Ehwe na papa no be ye nso we to ye so. Ente Kufu adu ye nko so ne hwe no obedane nso hwe beto o man Ghana so. So that mistake Ghana for will never repeat that. See Ebeka say Dr. Mamu Bawumia because of say waba onye president or a vice president in the nko so we Ghana ye so bia hwe bio. Say mistake Ghana for repeat biom da. Say so me hwe na bedane so we ye ntimi ntwere. So me hwe no abedane question say ye ntimi answer abegu ye so. Ye just a mistake no kuma. So if say wo mutrim say Dr. Mamu Bawumia ba benya sympathy vote because His Excellency John Dramani Mahama abobon from etutu ni sin na fi nanum nti so sore na se nde yakoto to sen fu France na de a Ghana fo be hunu mo de a ye ka kire no de be ye bua no pa ne say nonko yi sa sen na wa hye no because there is no way Ghana fo be hunu mo e be better so be yi sen no e de ananti rather than say all this sen be hye ho say is we fifi sen.
All right. Ohene ye finally ye we Kwesibotwe Junior. Dr. Bawumia's aide.
Only one.
I say we need someone with mental fortitude to be president, not one who will require injunctions in order to chair cabinet meetings.
And that's asking me.
Yes. Tisa Blanty na kasa asam.
Na ndo anya asem we na me gajiro. Special aide to Dr. Mamu Bawumia no say yenkoto amba maka na edima ye kwa cabinet meeting achi se ko won pa ne ana ye manu nduro no ansana
unu se maju kran ko so
ana mo adwunom da so se na me ka kiro akọ ne we na ka sa asem no we ya
ana mo se omusa na nam ne fie
se me ka kiro se sa post we me peka na di na ma am dey attesting so no aso de be che dia we no se ye hia candidate oba be president say ye kwa cabinet meeting achi se ye won pane ana ye ma na duro e ma no ma ansa na adwena tima ye adwuma anse ne na akwa cabinet meeting. This is the gentleman who said say we na kai special aid to Dr. Mamu Bawumia. They say they be aid
special aid aid
special aid to Dr. Mamu na mebwa.
Yes, Dr. Bawumia's aid. Kwesibotwe
no
no to be a man Kennedy sir.
Oh ono na fire Kennedy sir no omuwie no wa ko ni fie so opane chew na ma ka kire say and then my sentie nipa ko that the base na no I say there is no way Adum FM see that say base o me collapse no da abasa omu nim say no ma wo Kennedy mu no o me make sure say Kennedy be the president say Kennedy be the president there as MPP be change opposition.
Right, Ohene. Yeah.
These are issues. We need someone or market catcher penny. They've said all this. Cancer be said in somewhere, yeah, they are papa.
That's a moment, dear.
What does make those
issues?
These are issues, says so much solve we and sana. Or market say, who demonstration. Into a market say MPP need vision. Omu vision.
Now we do now. Young guys,
who can see a being it so? Or see uncle to aba mobia ye being it so. Omu can so mark or mass of problem never. A same way, as is a ball as uja. Nso to abaka se dum nso na
wase se ne yakopeja be
nso to a ubaka se dum na wase obetimi na platform o se nipa abie ne ti so de enkoto abama no we nso se nipa chese ye man aduro ana ye won pane ase de na kotra cabinet meeting ase
them se kan ni dem so ma wie se de o ma wie no
ento me se kan di kura ditum so oba be campaign ama MPP a obi bi oye Ghana ni ase bi otime dwunu bi ani se nipa na oli di MPP be campaign no wa no maduro
na adwunu mu nda ye pe this nsem o makeka keka fa
yeah
enukra
sa ye nyina ebe gi atum se ye bi e bitru so nti ontime ntwene ngini
yes eno de
nti ye mfa na asem serious o
kroma de emfa
daily time Ghana for be fa Canada serious ni se obe distance ne ho from MPP ni ye hu se ampa say do mo ka kire ni say na adwene ye na adwene ye but if Kennedy etimi to me say me say back to MPP and I say me kwa campaign ma Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia there's obvious you want pan here
yes Ohene no ana no
me I want pan here and I am na do anom what I say yes so Kennedy should prove otherwise on my Ghana for who say ye man do anse na wetimi alivu and I am one pan here anse na wetimi alivu and yes apa dia na robotic economy Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ka so de ba no one of the robot no ya Kennedy
okay
what I say
yeah
that is it
all right
it is as it is and these are issues
okay
what I say so say any pa we ka say asem we afa no akaka chen say Brian Kambom ni enkwandu akonwa wo wo ka kire say bi nipa ye man adu anse no watimi atena meeting ase say brana me no Kambom ni enkwankwaji akonwa
mfa
na ye kwa bade a ye nya akonwa ni wie de na wonka chen say meeting kwa ye yi adwene na firi
ohene mfa
amaka say ye adwene firi meeting mana en na kura ye hia wo no ye say wa adwene nye en na ye hia wo ye say wa adwene nye na ebe wi ni awi a ye hia wo no ye baka say wo kura say na adwene ni udiri minua
ohene ye na so ye chia nipa ba ko
minua ye kon de America an say mechia da Ashanti regional Mr. Dr. Frank Amoakon
yes
na maka say onko so nya adwuma because you fantastic
yeah
na masan so di nchi akese pa odi amana bu Ishama Lasanja Bonsu the incoming Ashanti regional chairman for the NDC. That's why the pillar and the pivot of our party. Right behind him say you say 2026 we inquiry there. No the chairman for NDC in Ashanti region. Honorable Ishama Lasan, I salute you sir.
All right. We share better mass some Jibre and share a jumedi the televangelist Samson Owusu Ote Ohene Agyei Michael and Kadasane Yabesa Asia Yakram.